Hello, this is Archit Ghosh, and uh, we will check data science and business analytics task 7, where we will do hybrid analysis for predicting stock market uh, for stock market prediction using LSTM. First, we will just import our libraries. Then we will import the data and see how our data looks. Uh, then we will use our analysis to predict the stock prices when it closes. Okay, so we will just do our splitting our data, making validation data, training data, test data. Um, then using dense LSTM model, I'll do see how on our data to see how well it is predicting close close price value. So this is our pictorial view of BSE Sensex price prediction. This is a price prediction. So you can see yeah, there are errors, but we are managed just using textual data. We are able to we are managing good results. We can see MSC in MA, RMSC and MPE of all of these for only using the textual analysis. And then we will use the text data for our analysis. Now, first we will read the headline data, and since we only have the numerical data between 2005-36, 2005-29, 2020, we will only use the text data generated using these days. Okay, and we will only look at the headlines related to businesses. And joining the rows. Okay, so we will join in the rows corresponding date. Then we will just process our data, make some sentiment analysis make some sentiment analysis, and then for analyzing the sentiment corresponding to the headlines. Okay, and finally we will use a classification model to identify whether the news is positive or not. For that we use HVM classifier, and then we can focus on the keywords for the targeted time period, and then we check what are the keywords which are used for before BA Sensex related test and after Sensex related text. So you can see like COVID, bank, RBI, cart are some of the huge terms for Sensex related text. Okay, now let's build the hybrid model. So first we will join the headline text data and close as our hybrid data. Then we will just take the headlines for headline text and check, and using our sentiment model, checking sentiment model, we will give scores to our hybrid data. Scores to the headlines corresponding to the hybrid data. Then we will blend our results and create blended data set. Scale the value, and reshape our input for samples, time, steps, and features for the LSTM input. Now we will create a dense LSTM model and fit our model, and finally we will check the MSC, RMA, RMSC, RFMP, PC from only using the from only using textual analysis, all of our performance reports, our performance reports have improved. With this, we can conclude that with the help of sentiment analyzed from the data, we are able to get better results than the only use individual LSTM model. The performance improvement is marginally significant, indicating small but considerable